Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you might happen to be watching us on YouTube or LinkedIn or however else we're managing to stream the video. I'm Michael Faass, Sales Director for faytech, and with us, after many moons of not having seen him in the office, having him grace us with his presence, is Arne Weber, our CTO and Chief Technical Guru, as I like to say. Arne, what have you been up to recently? Where have you been?
Oh, I think that was quite a trip. For sure, I was in Germany, flew to Brazil, South Africa, India, Japan. Happy to be now back in China. Yeah, we want to be a global company, right? And
that's so right. So you basically circumnavigated the world. So we could call you Magellan. So, but as to the point, whenever you hear me say faytech never sleeps, the motto is actually literally true, because no matter where you are, the sun is always shining on a faytech office somewhere. So, having said that, I'm very excited today. I see a lot of new toys. I see an aluminum frame. I see an open frame. I see a rubber frame. What are we going through today, Arne? What are you taking us through today?
So we introduced already our modular front back kit, and this is, I think, right now probably the most exciting new product. It's a back kit. It's a back kit embedded, what we want to show today. Our modular embedded, and right, what you said, we have three.
As well as our new whiteboard, if I may just interject, which we will be sending out videos and promotions for shortly. So yes,
it's really fantastic to make the videos with this and the camera and everything. So, but now let's start on this. Right, you said it. We have here three 21.5 inches front kits as an example of our modularity. And other sizes that you know, hey, we do also others. But the rubber front kit is well known, and we introduced already. That's our evergreen, running perfectly for ruggedized, harsh environments. We have the rubber and sealing and that you can integrate it well in machines. We have this one, which you also know, our open frame, which is tailored to be installed easily by clamps into your kiosk machines, whatever, and this one is 1,000 nits, so it gives an extra clear picture. And then we have totally new our 21.5 inch, which, you know, when you have let's say a SUV and you always go for just shopping, that's probably nice for your image, but it's not efficient. And so what we do here is that we do for the point of sale an indoor solution, standard 500 nits brightness, a nice aluminum finish. But we, let's say, spec down on the touch sensor, on the touch controller, for example. You don't need, for sure, indoor, the gloves and perfect water
Right, it's
support.
an example of how we customize our products to tailor to what our customers need.
So what we do is from the front kit, we have now three variations and a new one, which is a very nice, sleek aluminum finish for indoor usage. So it's also clear, significantly priced down against our rubber front as an entrance model. 21.5 inch is a starting size. We are preparing now 15.6, 24. And when you make it a success, then for sure in any size the customer wants. But basically, I'm talking too much, we want to focus on the back kit. And this is totally new. It's our embedded back kit. So after years, we finally come up with a new powerful embedded solution. And again, all is about modularity, right? So any front kit, you can install any back kit from us. Touchscreen monitor, touchscreen PCs.
I mean,
we introduced this.
But just so everyone can see again, their modularity.
And you can completely connect it.
That's right.
But the embedded is really super special, because we do a baseboard. Again, it's compatible with a PC, with a monitor. But here we further improve our flexibility. So we have a compute module, which we are really proud. It's made in Germany. We can offer now made in Germany, made in China. Soon, hopefully, also other countries. That's why I'm traveling. And
more on that to come. And we're working on secret missions.
And we have then also the display module. So when you want to have it just as a player, for sure you don't need the LVDS or EDP out to connect to a display. But when you connect the display, the only thing to change when you go with an LVDS or EDP display is that in your stock you change this small part, and then you can drive the display. So we have the display board you can choose, and we have the computing module, again made in Germany, made in China, which is out of our cooperation with Amlogic, and it's an A311D and it's an S905, and we offer
two variants. We have an S905 variant, a little bit more cost-effective, performance not as good as the A311D2, right?
I would say from performance, D2 is in this whiteboard. We do for our industrial HMIs just D. But from performance, the S905 is perfect for any full HD display and any, I would say, industrial usage, like showing information, managing the machine, and so on. The A311D, and this is really special, has a very powerful called NPU, Neural Processing Unit, which
leads us into AI, if I'm not mistaken.
Right, which is an AI processor.
That's right.
And it has 5 TOPS, which is really much. And it's very funny. I just came from Japan, and there we discussed, and he said, oh, the NVIDIA is too expensive. And I make now a cost down version on Freescale. It's just a fourth of the Jetson NVIDIA price. And it has 1.8 TOPS. This is powerful. And I said, congratulations, when you go with us, we cut again half the costs, but you have double the power.
That's right. So
and that's exactly where the A311D is, and we will make a special video about this. It's a very powerful but very cost-efficient AI solution, and so when you want to go with 4K and AI, then you go with the A311D, and otherwise, when you want to manage your machines, perfect to go with the S905. And this is in our, let's move it around, back cases. And so you see it from the other videos, it's the same back case like we have on our PCs. So again, front back kit, it's easy compatible. And we have the standard connections. And this is really the point. Because of that we separate in a baseboard and a computing module, you can really easy tailor, let's say, for example, the Easy Shopper Lite. The Easy Shopper Lite is already more than 1,000 pieces set up in Germany, and there we have a different baseboard because for sure we don't need any external connectors, and that's really so we bring the modularity on the peak. So we don't just have now more than 2 million variations in all the modularity. But we can easily change, when you want to change something, right? And want to have some variation. For example, we now just need to change the back case, and probably we just change the baseboard. So to be able to customize is easier than ever.
Right. So I mean, I think if we were going to summarize then, to make it in bite-sized chunks for some of our viewers, we're looking at increased performance, we're looking at decreased costs, we're looking at increased ability to change your units based on the application, which is spoken to by the fact that not only are we doing the Easy Shopper Lite in shopping in Germany, so if you're in if you happen to go to an Edeka in Germany, you're going to see our products, but you're going to see us in digital kiosks, you're going to see us in gas stations, you're going to see us on boats, planes, trains, and automobiles, to quote a good movie. Which is that I'm going to finish off with this. I think we'll finish this video off.
I have the software, but go on.
I think maybe we put that into the second video of the day. We're going to be doing a few videos today. So if you notice we're wearing the same clothes, that's because we're trying to knock off a bunch of videos. Because if Arne is here in China, then we're not driving business. We need him on the road. So I was going to ask you if you wanted to mention something about avionics, because I did say planes, trains, and automobiles. So planes is pretty exciting, I think.
For sure, the avionics is really exciting. This was a success of our optical bonding team, where we were able, and you can see the video, where we were able to fulfill minus 55 degrees. And so yes, that is exciting, but still let's focus on what we're doing now. So we offer for our back cases, just shortly for sure, all the normal connections you need, also Wi-Fi. We offer a normal 12 volt DC in, but this is important. We have also a back case variation for all models where we offer 9 to 36 volt. So for the more ruggedized, we offer a serial port. And then again, what we said, it's all about customization. And that wraps this shortly up. You see here a Debian Linux running. So we provide an absolute, actual Debian Linux kernel when you want. Right now, we offer, besides an Android 9, we are working on an updated version, at least Android 12, probably even 13 later next year. And so this is really one important point, and this should be in every video. We have our own software team, our own software specialists. We write the driver. We see for that we get it in the mainland kernel. We can provide you the source code. And this is, for example, why you know it. We are also in the electric fast charger business because we could guarantee FOSS compatibility. That means we guarantee that we fulfill all GPL, all license you can have on Linux. And just to give an example how much work this is, we provide our customer 800 paper overview, listing every license, listing every driver, everything we do. And that's our ability. Not many can do this. To not just do a great hardware, but to make secure that it runs also well and is supported well on the operation system basis to integrate it perfectly in your projects. But that was my take. You can wrap it up, or when you have more questions.
I already wrapped it up, I think probably about 2 minutes and 30 seconds ago, but that's okay, because as you can see, we never rest. At faytech, we never sleep. We're always looking out for the best interests of our customers and our clients. We're always looking for cool and new projects, small to medium-sized prototypes, product development. I had a customer I was speaking to a couple weeks ago talk about a project that wasn't going to launch until maybe 2 or 3 years later. This is okay. We work with this type of a speciality. This is our focus, and our customers are our passion. So please like, subscribe, share the video, and we'll see you with our next video very, very soon, probably within the next 15 minutes. I just need to get a glass of water. Make sure I turn my mic off. Thank you.
Okay, see you. Thank you. Bye-bye.